Welcome to our channel. Excited to enhance your Apple TV experience with IPTV? First, note that 2TV Store is our go-to IPTV provider. Their support, especially Nancy, is always ready to assist. Before the installation, double-check that your Apple TV device is connected to the internet. Ensure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest IPTV experience possible. Now, let's head to the App Store on your Apple TV. Simply navigate using your remote. Search for a reliable IPTV app compatible with your device model. Once downloaded, open the IPTV app and enter your login details. Ensure this information matches what you receive from your IPTV provider to avoid errors. After logging in successfully, explore the channel lineup. From live sports to popular TV shows, your Apple TV now offers a vibrant entertainment ecosystem. That's it. With these simple steps, your Apple TV transforms into an IPTV treasure chest. For any questions, reach out to Nancy at 2TV Store. Happy streaming!